Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, thank you so much for watching today's video. Please be sure to subscribe before you leave for more luxury unboxings and handbag and fashion related videos. I upload once a week and would love to have you here as part of my subscribers. So today is a very exciting and long awaited video, for me anyway, if not for anybody else. I have had this bag on my wish list for at least the last 6-7 years, and I always said to myself that I wouldn't purchase this bag until I was either on the property ladder or I was able to afford it twice over. So, you know, classic rule, they say that you can't really afford something unless you can buy it twice. So I got my savings to a point where I was very comfortable. I'm in the house buying process, albeit not at the finish line, but I thought it's a good time to treat myself after what has been a very long year. And by the time you guys are seeing this, it will be 2 days from my birthday. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. I'm going to be unboxing what I picked up from Chanel and sharing all about my reasons for purchasing, unboxing, giving you a review of the bag, and telling you all about my in-store experience. If you like the sound of that, please keep watching. Come follow me on Instagram. I have 2 accounts, my personal account and my home account. My personal account for fashion related content, so this might make an appearance over there, and my home account for interiors, and that's kind of where I'm tracking or like keeping you guys updated on my house purchase journey. But yeah, I'm on Instagram, Twitter and Snapchat as @NodreenK, and I think that's everything I need to cover off. Let's get into this bag. So I went to Chanel, the New Bond Street store in central London, which is I'd say my local. It's not local to me, I'm in Kent, but I decided to go and get mine from there because I'd heard that, I don't know, that's just the place to go in London. It came packaged really nicely in this black bag with the white camellia and the white ribbon. I want to also give a really big shout out to Naomi, who was my sales assistant in store. She was super helpful and just really lovely, kind of guiding me through the process of the 2 bag sizes that I was deliberating between. So I'm not going to keep you guys waiting any longer. Let's just get into this, because even I am screaming inside with anticipation. So I'm just going to take the ribbon off. And then get into what's in the bag. So in the bag, outside of the box, I've got my receipt. Looks like that. It's got an imprint of the camellia, it says Chanel, and then it's just got my receipt. I think you can fold this. I don't want to look at that amount of money. I don't want to look at it. And then I have a Dictionnaire Amoureux de Coco Crush, which is a dictionary, the love dictionary of Coco Crush. So I think it's just all of the products that you can get in store, so that was a nice little addition. But what you're really here for is this. I cannot believe I'm doing this, oh my gosh. So here she is. Okay, compose yourself. Okay. So here she is, my new baby, boxed up in this lovely black and white packaging. So here goes. I'm going to remove the ribbon. And I'll see if I can retie this to do like a little unboxing on Instagram. Right, where's the flap? Here she is at the front. It's nice and heavy. Very nice packaging. Magnetic flap. Oh God, I can't believe I'm doing this. Oh, so then we've got the sticker there. So you've opened up, and then inside is the very familiar to you guys probably if you've watched a lot of these videos. Dust bag, where she lives. I don't know if you can see this, is kind of washing me out, but before I get into the dust bag, I thought I would show you what else comes in the box. So you get your care card, which has 5 care tips by Chanel, and it just shows you how to look after the leather. And then you've also got the what's this? Oh, this must be some sort of, I don't know, there was a little pouch in here. And this has a random piece of card. Okay. But I guess in here you have like another dust bag. I guess I could keep like sunglasses in here or something. Who knows? Or maybe this is for shaping the bag. Or one of the pockets. Then this might be my guarantee. It's all in French. Okay, we'll get into that later. But there was that, and then there was also this booklet which just has a little bit about the craftsmanship, which I actually will read because I would love to know how they're made. I know that they're not handmade anymore. They used to be. They are machine made, but it just kind of shows you like how they are manufactured. So I'll leave those 2 bits in there, and then we're gonna get into this. I will let you guys try and guess what colorway, what size, and what bag I went for, although you'll probably have guessed by the title. But anyway, have a little guess. And here she is. So, oops, oh man, I fumbled that. Little paper wrapping just to protect the leather, which I am going to remove to reveal, oh, my new handbag. So I went for the Chanel Classic Flap in the lambskin leather with the gold hardware in the medium size. I tried on, okay, so if you watch my luxury wishlist video, you will know that I was deliberating between this and the caviar version of this with the silver hardware, but I said it's my first bag. I want it to be a classic, I want it to be a good size, and I want it to be something that fits my frame quite nicely. So when I tried it on in store, I tried on the small size, and it was fine sort of over my shoulder, but when I wore it crossbody, it was just hitting like right under my bust. The strap for the small isn't that long, so I went for the medium, which has a much longer strap, and you can kind of fit like a little bit more into it. So let's just get into it. I will open up the clasp. It's still got the plastic on the hardware just to keep it protected, but if we remove the felt from the inside as well. I also asked, because I watched like, I don't know, 100 videos, to get one that is made in France, because they are made, these bags are manufactured in France and in Italy. So as you can see, my girl Naomi was able to secure me a made in France one. So on the inside it opens up to reveal the double flap with the sort of burgundy or wine coloured interior. Just got some paper in there to kind of keep it all secure, which I will remove for the purposes of this to show you guys what it looks like inside. But inside it's just beautiful, like wine red interior. It's got the lipstick compartment there, and then oh, I spy a little card and the serial number. So this is the authenticity card. So yeah, you can also specify what kind of serial number you want. I don't know why you would, but yeah. But yeah, this is her. This is she. She's got obviously the pocket on the back. It's just, the leather just feels like really buttery soft. I was worried about, you know, kind of going for the lambskin because it's so delicate, but I just wanted a bag that I love looking at and that I can enjoy and that I can just it's just beautiful, and this is it for me. So I'm going to do some mod shots just so you guys can see what it looks like on my frame. So here is the bag, just up against me. I'm 5'5", I'm about a dress size 8 or 10. Yeah, those are my measurements if it's helpful. So this is what she looks like. Pull this down. Just if I wear it with the 2 straps like on my shoulder, and then how I'll probably normally be wearing it is crossbody, like so, because it's just a bit more of a casual style. So even this, like the strap isn't super long. Let me open it up to make sure I've got the full. Yeah, it's not super long, but it kind of fits me perfectly. So the small version of this was like way up here, and it was just quite small. I couldn't fit loads into it, so this just worked a lot better for me. So yeah, you can either wear it like that, or you can kind of just have it on the side there, which is also quite cool. But yeah, I think mostly I'll probably either have it like this for like occasions, and then crossbody for sort of casual days. So this is she. I'll just hold her up like this so you can see she's kind of giving like navy blue, but I promise you it is black. It's just the sunlight is coming through quite nicely, so I got this video filmed in time. So let's get into the tea and talk in-store experience. So when you go into Chanel New Bond Street, so one, I had to queue, and I actually Insta story vlogged it. So another reason for you guys to follow me on Instagram, if you want to kind of get little mini exclusives or sneak peeks, I do share those over there. So I queued up outside. Queue moved very quickly. Once you go in, sanitize your hands. Have to wear a mask in store at the moment, and then the guy at the door asks you what you're after, and I told him I was after a Classic Flap. He said to follow his colleague, so I followed his colleague. They walked me around into like the main boutique area, and they have like loads of different like stands, and then they sat me down. They said just wait here, it's about a 15-minute wait, and then somebody will be with you. So you know, I was just kind of sitting down, snapping pictures and videos of the store and some of the like seasonal handbags that they had in. Then they take you over to your SA, or your sales assistant, and then, you know, she kind of just, it was Naomi, she asked me like what I was looking for. She brought out loads of different bags for me to try on. So I tried on the caviar version of this, I tried on the small version of this, tried them on, looked in front of the mirror and stuff, got chatting to some of the other ladies in the store who were also purchasing. And then when I decided on the one I wanted, she went back to get it for me. I filled out my details on an information card, and then she took my goods over to a separate room, which is where you go, you sit down, you make your payment. It's nice and private. And then so you don't do all of that on the shop floor. And then yeah, then she kind of gave me, oh no, she was holding the bag in the bag, and she gave me this QR code to scan. So I had to scan it, and that was like my guarantee. So with these bags you get a 5-year guarantee. If anything goes wrong within those 5 years, you can take it back and they'll fix it for free. So I had to scan the QR code, and then that basically is the certificate of ownership, and you know, if I ever sell the bag, I can pass that over through that online portal. She said that once I've filled in all my details and I saw like a screen grab, then I will also oh no, I was going to show you, but can't find it, that I'll get an email with confirming all the details of the bag and the guarantee. And that was it. Then she kind of walked me to the front, she held the bag for me, and then she handed it to me. We exchanged details in case I want to buy anything else, and that was it. I walked out of the store with my bag, and I was a very happy girl. So it was, I know a lot of people have varied experiences. I think it really depends on the store or the time that you go, who's in, who's working, the sales assistant you get. But I had a really positive in-store experience, and yeah, I am thrilled to finally have my dream bag in my collection. You guys are going to see this all over my Instagram, so if you want to be spammed with outfit of the days with this beauty, then make sure you come follow me over there. I will be doing a review of what this looks like and what condition it's in once I have had it for maybe about 6 months or so. But for now, she's in excellent condition, and I'm going to give her so much love and tender care. And yeah, I just want to thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you to anyone who's kind of been along the journey from the start, who probably saw this item on my wish list or wish lists from years ago. We did it. Couldn't have done it without you guys' help, because YouTube is also an income stream for me. And yeah, I can't wait to unbox my next purchase. I don't know what that will be, but there won't be anything for a while. I need to give my bank balance some time to recover. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Please, please, please do subscribe, and yeah, click the bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video, which will probably be next week Sunday. I'm celebrating my birthday this week, so this coming week, so there'll be lots of probably footage from that. If not, then I will probably be vlogging bits of the day over on Instagram. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care, and I will see you soon. Bye.